Member from the 19th District, Representative Walsh.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Well, chip, 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 peck, peck, peck. Here we are again, eroding the right that every Washingtonian has to keep and bear arms. Little by little, inch by inch, little bit of overreach by little bit of overreach, we erode a foundational right, to many of us, the foundational right that all citizens have. You know, there's a risk in this bill, really, to those who would have it as policy. There's a risk, and you've heard us talk about the nexus, or really the lack of a nexus in this bill to take away a foundational constitutional right. And I think that those of you who might vote yes, Mr. Speaker, if you're one of them, on this bill, consider that there's an effect lingering here. If this bit of overreach is passed into public policy, it's going to have a corrosive effect not only on your and my foundational constitutional right to protect ourselves, but also on the legitimacy of other protection orders. Because if this unconstitutional taking is passed into public policy, it will raise the question in the courts of whether it can be properly and constitutionally implemented. And that may raise the question of how some of the other overreach policies we've passed here can be legitimately and constitutionally implemented. So be careful, Mr. Speaker. Be careful in voting yes for this bill, because this bill is a bridge too far. It's the chip, it's the peck that will really press the courts into looking at some of the overreach that have passed off this floor. It's an interesting bill, Mr. Speaker. The right vote is no. Please vote no.